iQOO is committed to be the #1 in the performance gaming track, and this iQOO 13 is a good illustration of that. Not only can it surprise you with its performance, but it also incorporates a unique halo design, which accentuates the identity of the hipster cool gamer even more. iQOO has officially launched its 2024 flagship, the iQOO 13, featuring Qualcomm's powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite and the company's second-generation supercomputing chip Q2. The iQOO 13 is powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, paired with LPDDR5X Ultra memory and UFS 4.1 flash storage. The new combination of hardware has earned it an impressive score of over 3.15 million on AnTuTu. It supports 60 FPS gameplay in Naraka, Bladepoint, and 90 FPS with ray tracing enabled in Dark Zone Breakout and Honkai Impact 3. Remarkably, the device can reportedly sustain Genshin Impact at 60 FPS for up to 12 hours, showcasing iQOO's effort to fine-tune both performance and thermal efficiency. iQOO 13 ships with OriginOS 5 based on Android 15 in China, while the global version should ship with FunTouch OS 15 once it launches in December. The iQOO 13 sports an impressive 6.82 inches 8T LTPO flat display, boasting a 3168x1440 pixels resolution and developed using BOE's Q10 luminous material. This display supports a high 144Hz refresh rate, achieving a global peak brightness of 1800 nits and an impressive local peak brightness of up to 4500 nits. In addition to sharp visuals, the new display offers a 50% improvement in color accuracy, extended lifespan, and reduced smearing by 15%, all while consuming 10% less power. Complementing this advanced display is Vivo's custom eye protection solution, which includes a circular polarized light feature to reduce eye strain and a 2592Hz high-frequency PWM dimming at full brightness, making it easier on the eyes even during extended use. The back of the iQOO 13 features a substantial RGB lit camera ring, which features 72 light effects. That includes 12 color combinations and carious effects like pulsing and spiraling. The RGB ring light can display notifications, react to music playback, and show your charging status. It can also indicate wins and kills in select gaming titles like Honor of Kings. The iQOO 13 features a triple camera setup on the back, consisting of three 50-megapixel sensors, 1.56-inch IMX921 primary sensor with f1.8 aperture, and OIS 1.93-inch IMX16 portrait telephoto lens with f1.85 aperture, 119.4 degrees ultra-wide-angle lens with a 1.76-inch sensor. There is a 32-megapixel sensor in the front for selfies. This camera system includes software features such as professional portrait lighting effects, multifocal length portraits, work-level night mode, 3D imaging, and a new humanistic street photography mode for vibrant street captures. On the front, there's a 32-megapixel sensor, ideal for sharp, high-quality selfies. The device also supports frame rate interpolation through the Q2 chip, delivering up to 144 FPS in compatible games, and its super resolution feature allows for gaming in 2K. Initially limited to a select few titles, these features now cover over 140 super frame games and 100+ super resolution games, with 98 games supporting both capabilities simultaneously. Powering the iQOO 13 is a sizable 6150 mAh battery, up from the 5000 mAh in its predecessor, and it uses iQOO's third-generation silicon negative electrode technology. Despite this large capacity, the phone remains slim at 7.99 millimeters, even thinner than the iQOO 12. The 120-watt charger included with the device also supports PD output, compatible with many PCs and tablets, and a bypass charging option allows the device to run directly from the adapter without increasing battery cycles. Another upgrade for this year is the added IP69 rating dust water ingress protection. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.